Today, I'll be reading you If You Give a Dog a Donut. It's written by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. And I chose this book because it's one of my favorite books growing up. So, here we go. If you give a dog a donut, like he's doing there, he'll ask for some orange juice to go with it. And when you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Oh, he's a thirsty dog. Then he'll ask for some more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick some apples. And when he's up in the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball, and he'll want to play. But you would have to go get a ball and a glove. See? Right there. And there's the ball. Of course, he'll also need a bat. And he'll ask you to pitch. See? Are you good at pitching? I'm not. And he'll hit a home run. See, that ball looks very high. It's already over the apple tree. And then he'll do a happy dance to celebrate. See, he's doing all kinds of moves. Dancing will make him hot and dusty, so he'll need some water. And he'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana, just like he's doing right there. And he'll wrap it around his head and pretend that he's a pirate. Arr. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. Oh boy. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. And you'll have to go get him some sticks, paper, and string. And when the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It'll go higher and higher and higher, you see? Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of the apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go along with it. See? It's a pretty good book. Let me know what you think.